This week on Linda on Learning, I'll be answering Steve Gobert's practical question, which was, how do you add the text captions to your LinkedIn videos? Let me start by saying I'm excited to answer this question not only because it's a pragmatic situation I think a lot of people can leverage for improving their own digital content, but also because my answer highlights a simple example of how emerging technology is improving the work we do in learning and development. Now, let me elaborate. Captioning video content has historically required a number of extra steps. Previously, someone had to sit and listen to the audio to create the transcript. Then someone had to break the words from the transcript into manageable text chunks based on the pace of the video. From there, you had to sync up those text chunks with the video itself. So while not a super complicated task, it was time-consuming and not the best use of human skills. However, technology is changing the rules. Artificial intelligence is becoming extremely effective and efficient at transcription. As you'll see, it's simplifying and automating most of those extra steps. So while disruptive to the way you do things, it actually enables you to spend more time planning and developing quality content while simultaneously improving the content you create, ultimately improving your outcomes. Now, I'll admit this is a very simplistic and basic example, and there are endless other applications of artificial intelligence. However, this example practically demonstrates why we need to think differently about these emerging technologies. Is it changing our work? Absolutely, but I'd argue it's changing it for the better. Okay, to make sure I answer Steve's question, let's get tactical and take a look. So once I have my video, I upload it to YouTube and work on something else for a few minutes while AI does its thing. Come back, and presto, I make my way over to transcriptions, and I've got a great first draft of accurate, well-timed captions. Now, it may not always be 100% perfect, but it is pretty darn close. And if any words are off, or I want to add in punctuation, things like that, all I have to do is make some edits and save. That's it. After that, I can download the SRT file, which is accepted by most video editing or publishing tools, including LinkedIn's native video upload. So when I post my video to LinkedIn, I just add the SRT file, and boom, I'm done. So there you have it. I hope I answered your question, Steve. Thanks everyone for watching, and keep the questions coming.